Hello stormwater designers, welcome back to Clear Creek Solutions videos, and today I'm here to announce the new San Diego Hydrology model training. It's something we've been working on for a little while. We're starting to launch all these new training programs for these software that we provide, and it's very exciting, and we're very happy to announce this new form of training. If you don't know, Clear Creek Solutions has created and developed with, of course, in coordination with the jurisdiction for the city of San Diego and the county of San Diego, the San Diego Hydrology model, which is used for hydromod and designing HMP facilities and other stormwater modeling uses in the city and county of San Diego. Clear Creek Solutions has developed many software packages that are used all over the West Coast, all the way down to Texas, and really focusing on using continuous simulation and hydromod to help model our facilities and meet mitigation requirements in your local jurisdictions. This is your chance to learn the San Diego hydrology model from the industry experts and the ones who develop the software. So we know the software in and out. There's nothing that we don't know about the software. And so you'll get a unique chance to be able to learn how to use it, how to model in it, and how to use it for your projects from the experts and developers. So this is a very exciting opportunity. We understand that learning new software can be daunting. Whenever you get into a new software package that you use for your job or for engineering design, there can be a lot to it and it can be a frustrating process. That's why we created a training program that takes all the guesswork out of it, and it gives you a framework that you get to learn from and make sure that you learn it properly. These are the developers and creators of the software, so we'll know how to teach you how to model your projects properly in the software. We know the ins and outs of creating great models and great designs. Now you have two choices when it comes to learning a new software package. The first choice, which I like to call the more difficult road, is you don't rely on training, you just try to learn it yourself by tinkering, and that's totally fine. And sometimes great things come from learning it on your own, but it tends to be the most time-consuming process and tends to be one of the most difficult processes to go through. Even if you have someone who can teach you the San Diego hydrology model, that's gonna take a lot of time out of their effort and their budget. They probably have other projects that they're working on, and who knows if they don't have everything down 100% exactly. They probably know it really well, but they have some things missing, so you don't know that you're learning exactly what you need to know for the software. You can start that hard, winding road and difficult process of trying to learn it on your own by trying to figure it out through tinkering. Who knows how many hours and how much time that's going to take. You've got important things to do. You've got projects to do. You got designs to come up with. Okay, you have meetings to be in. Your time is valuable, and you don't want to waste it spending tinkering around in software and not knowing exactly if you're getting the designs that you need. And this is what I call the second choice when it comes to learning software, or what I also refer to as the shortcut. And you're probably thinking, well, I shouldn't take shortcuts in life. I shouldn't take shortcuts in my job. And I totally understand that. Think of it less as a shortcut and more of the direct way to gain exactly where you need to go. San Diego Hydrology Model Training is that shortcut or framework to learning the software in a very easy way. We have all the videos housed at our website. You simply purchase the course, you log in, and you can find everything you need to learn on the software. We start from the very basics, working all the way up to building advanced models. The best starting point for any engineer when it comes to learning software is having reliable instructional material, and that's exactly what this course is going to provide. You can take the guesswork out of it. You can think about, okay, all I need to do is follow this course, learn the points that are in it, and I'll be able to learn the software and start creating the designs that I need. Not only will this save you a lot of frustration and time, but as we know in the industry, time is money. So this in the end will save you money because you're taking a much shorter path to understanding how to use the software and creating the designs for your projects that you, your jurisdiction, or your company needs. And so we'd like to introduce the San Diego Hydrology Model Training. There's 4 main modules that will cover 4 of the main aspects when it comes to the software. The first one is in presentation form, when we take you through the very basics of the software, hydromod, what is continuous simulation, and set up some simple projects. Then we get into that second module where we start actually modeling the software. We show you exactly what you need to do to get it opened up, get the schematic running, find your project location, and start building out some simple models in real time in the software. The third module is going to tackle some more advanced modeling scenarios. It's in another presentation form where you can follow along with the different scenarios that we have as we sort of teach you some of these more advanced topics, such as using LID facilities, infiltration, and things like that. And as we get into module 4, we jump back into the software where we teach you all those concepts we covered in module 3, but now we're modeling again in the software. You should know exactly what you're doing by the end of module 4 when it comes to modeling these different LID facilities and more complex modeling situations. Also, if you join the course now, we've also included 4 exclusive bonuses to help enrich your education even more. And the 4 bonuses include: 1, the San Diego Hydrology Model Template Pack. These are template projects that you can load into your software to help you begin modeling a certain modeling situation immediately, instead of having to always build these project situations from scratch. The second bonus are follow along practice projects that come included with the training course. So as you start modeling, as you start following along with the projects that we have in the course, all you have to do is download the sample projects and you can follow along right along with us. You'll know exactly what we're doing because we've included those projects in the training. Third bonus is a Usgs calculator spreadsheet. This is something we've created on our own, so you can calculate the flow criteria using the USGS method, and we have an Excel spreadsheet that does that for you. As long as you select from the chart your precipitation data and which gauge you're using, you plug in the miles squared, and it outputs those answers for you. So we've included that so you don't have to do that by hand any longer. And last but not least, the 4th bonus is going to be the beginner's guide to using the San Diego Hydrology Model. This is a great beginner course that's also filmed, it's shot, and it's a bonus in the San Diego Hydrology Model training that takes from you knowing nothing about the software, not even knowing where to download it and install it from. Takes you through the entire process of downloading it, installing it, learning how to use the elements in the schematic. It's even more basic instruction so that you can help get started in the San Diego Hydrology Model. So you're already asking, even if I already know how to do some designs in the San Diego Hydrology Model, is this a good course for me? And absolutely. In modules 3 and 4, we covered some advanced modeling situations, go over some explanations of that'll be perfect for someone who's even a seasoned veteran in the software. And if you're a beginner, this is a perfect course for you. You can go from that bonus training, which takes you to the bare bones of the software, and go through all the modules, binge watch those all the way through, and you'll really get a good understanding of what you're doing in the software. So here's what you're getting in the San Diego Hydrology Model training. In Module 1, you're getting the Introduction to San Diego Hydrology Model presentation. This is a full-fledged PowerPoint where we talk through everything you need to know to get introduced to the software. Then in Module 2, we start using the software, we start building out models, we're building out real projects here that you can follow along with the other bonuses. In Module 3, we're going over advanced theory of the software, so some of the advanced LID modeling, impervious runoff, porous pavements, etc. In Module 4, we're modeling in the model again, using those advanced concepts where you can learn more about how to model those advanced projects in the software. You're also getting the 4 included bonuses: the 10 San Diego Hydrology Model project templates, the second bonus, the 5 practice projects to hone your skills, the bonus 3, which is that USGS calculator, and then the 4th bonus, which is the San Diego Hydrology Model for beginners, which is a great beginner course that you can use for anyone to help learn the software. And so the total value of this entire course is nearly $3,000, $2,950, provided by Clear Creek Solutions. But here's what we want you to pay for this course, because we understand it's really important to get this education out there to help you understand how to use the software. So we're just charging $497 per license of the course. The good news is, if you're an office or an educator and you want more licenses, you want to be able to help and use more people for this training, we do have special office and educator discount. You just go ahead and contact us at the contact email, brasherjr@clearcreeksolutions.com. We can work out a price point that will work for you. Okay, so you have 2 clear choices: take the hard road or take the shortcut, i.e. the San Diego Hydrology Model training, which is going to help you learn the software much faster and get you designing and building out the projects that you need and building out the models you need to complete your projects and complete your designs. If you have any questions about the course, go ahead and email us at that contact email, and we will see you guys next time.